Mango fish curry. This is a South Indian delicacy. Instead of tamarind that actually gives us the tanginess to the curry, we're going to substitute that tanginess using mangoes, raw mangoes. I have taken a medium-sized pan and I have preheated it. We will add 50 ml of refined oil. Now, if in case you're used to edible coconut oil, you can use edible coconut oil. That gives you a different flavor to this particular dish. Once the oil is warm, we will add half a teaspoon of cumin, quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 10 cloves of garlic finely chopped, half an inch of ginger finely chopped, (100 grams of shallots), fry it till the rawness of the ginger garlic is gone. The shallots should turn glossy. Now that the shallots are glossy, we will add 3 slit green chilies, one teaspoon of red chili, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it well. Now lower the flame. Add salt for taste. Once we added the salt, we're gonna use coconut milk. Now for the coconut milk, I have taken 1 whole coconut grated and I have extracted 3 milks. When I say 3 milk, the first milk, the second milk and the third milk. Now we're going to use the third milk at this time. Now when I say third milk, now the first milk is extracted after you grinding the grated coconuts without adding water. So that is going to be thicker. Now the second milk is when you add water to it and you extract it. The third milk is after you get the leftovers from the second milk, you add some more water and you extract the third one. So I'm going to add the third milk to this curry. Mix it well. Now once this comes to a boil, we will add the raw mangoes. I've taken a medium-sized raw mango and I'll cut it into pieces, so I've added the raw mango to the curry. Now we're going to close this with the lid and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Now the ingredients that we are using is for half a kilogram of fish. Now the fish can be of your choice, but I'm using half kilogram of mackerel. Now that it's cooking for 2 minutes, now we'll open the lid and check if the mango is cooked. So the mangoes are soft, so the mangoes are cooked now. So we're going to add the second milk at this point of time. Now once you added the second milk, we will add 1 teaspoon of pounded fennel powder. Now that it's come to a boil, we will add the fish to the curry. Gently mix it. Add half a cup of water and we will check if the salt is fine. Need some salt, so we're going to add some extra salt on. Now we will close the lid and allow it to cook in low flame for 1 minute. Now that it's been cooking in low flame for 1 minute, we're going to open the lid. The fish should be cooked by now. Now increase the flame. Allow it to come to a boil. Now at this point, we're going to add the first milk. This milk is going to be thicker compared to the previous 2 milks. Add a strip of curry leaves and turn off the stove. Now I've taken a small pan, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil, add half a teaspoon of mustard. Once the mustard starts to splatter, add 1 strip of curry leaves and 2 red chilies and turn off the stove. Now we will add this to the curry. And gently mix it. The mango fish curry is ready to be served. Now if in case you missed out the ingredients, please do look at the description below to find the ingredients and the method for cooking. Hope you loved my videos. Please do like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.